Day, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video I'll be explaining to you guys how you can remove a green screen or any other type of screen in Davinci Resolve 18.6. So let's get right into it. As you can see, I've already made a timeline and I have imported two videos. Tutorial video that I've made, and as you can see, I have set the video to be what I want to do to actually remove, let's say, well, first of all, you can suppose this gray field and see go into the editing tab, which is the third. Go into that and you'll be taken to this screen, and as you can see, I have a lot of things open. This is what it'll look like pretty much when you open it up. And first a media pool is open, everything like this is open, this is the preview, this is everything. Let's say this one, click on effects, but before you do, go to go to effects and search for the what's it called, I think it's 3D keyer, and it's right here. Drag it over this video and it should go up here in the effects tab over here, and then you can do with it as you'd wish. But first, make sure that this here is selected to open FX overlay. It will be selected to transform, so keep that in mind. Once that is done, click on the dropper with the plus icon, click on the gray area, and as you can see, the video is translucent and the green screen effect is gone. That's it. I hope it helped. I hope you are satisfied and enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys in another one.